Hello everyone. Today I have brought this Nescafe package and I would like to show you the unboxing experience of this. Let's start by cutting this with this knife. And do it from right over here, just as a clean cut. Do it another. Let's open this top. Over here, look over here. We have got here is a nice looking cup, red. And red is one of my favorite colors. Thank you.
Mine too.
Now we don't need this box, but from this video I would like to say something for you guys about the environment. Don't throw these kinds of waste anywhere. You should really recycle them, otherwise you should reuse them. Please don't throw it anywhere. That is it. Look over here. This is nice looking cup by Nescafe. It will be hell lot of experience to drink from this. Look at here. It's 100% pure coffee. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. Oh, there's a nice looking package here. Now I'm gonna cut it open. But one thing, remember, it didn't come with any user manual. Now I don't know how to make a coffee. Please show me the recipe of coffee in the comments down below. And wait, if you haven't already, please subscribe and like this video. This is how you cut this bottle and open it.
Bottle.
Wow, that's so smooth. Look at here. This is so nice. Noise. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and give it a thumbs up if you like this video and share it to the friends. Thank you.